Attention, business owners! As energy costs continue to rise, energy management has become a crucial lever for reducing operational costs and improving efficiency. C&IESS offer an efficient solution for factories to save on electricity bills and ensure production stability. With one integrated system, you gain 3 core benefits. Smart cost management, lower electricity bills. C&IESS leverages the price difference between peak and off-peak electricity rates, charging when energy is cheap, and discharging stored power when prices are high during peak periods, directly reducing the factory's electricity expenses, resulting in significant long-term savings. Reliable power supply, zero production interruptions. In case of grid fluctuations or unexpected blackouts, the ESS switches to backup power mode within milliseconds, providing immediate backup power to critical production equipment, effectively preventing production halts and potential equipment damage. Especially vital for precision manufacturing and continuous production scenarios. Optimized efficiency, additional revenue streams. ESS also helps factories flatten their electricity load curves and improve energy efficiency, ensuring more stable and grid-compliant power consumption. It also enables participation in demand response programs, adjusting electricity usage in response to grid signals, generating additional revenue, while contributing to more efficient energy utilization, truly achieving both energy efficiency and financial returns. In summary, C&IESS doesn't just help factories both save money and secure production. It elevates energy management to be smarter and more efficient. Follow us for more practical insights on C&IESS.